So when spacecraft are returning to Earth, it says they're travelling at very high speed. And basically you want to brake, which means you have to change that kinetic energy into something else. So we use the air resistance in the atmosphere to cause the craft to slow down, but that will generate a lot of heat. So without shielding, the spacecraft would simply burn up. So we've found ways of protecting. So we've used different materials which are poor conductors of heat. They're good insulators of heat to prevent the heat travelling from the outside to the inside. We also showed you a short clip, remember, of how good these materials are at emitting heat so that they cool down as much as they can. In this animation we look at the different shapes. So the very streamlined aerodynamic shape, right, comes in very fast. Next one, still too aerodynamic basically. But in actual fact it's this blunt shape which works the best and enables it to land. So basically the blunt shape traps a layer of air, and then that's that air that gets heated basically and deflects the heated shock wave away from the surface of the spacecraft.